2026 Off-Market Multifamily Revolution, the spirit, the ecosystem, the 997 in China. Hello everyone, Christina here. Welcome to Morning Coffee Time with Christina, my lady group. 2026 is the year the multifamily market flipped, and the only people rising are the ones inside the off-market 100 unit plus deal flow ecosystem. Because the revolution isn't happening on market, it's happening in the lane where the deals move before the market even wake up. This is the off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem. The agent routing distressed assets, broken capital stacks, debt maturity pressure, and below replacement cost opportunities across all 50 states and 3,144 counties. And here is the truth. The ecosystem has a spirit, a July 4th firework spirit, a rain or sunshine, it keeps moving spirit, whether you show up or not, momentum keeps continue spirit. Just like the 4th of July, crowd sitting on the wet grass, waiting for the sky to open. Ecosystem keeps rising, keeps acceleration, keeps pushing forward unlimited compound growth. Inside the ecosystem, 100 unit to 1,000 unit plus deals move daily. The multifamily, institutional recapitalization, hospitality, crossover, debt stack stress, national segmentation, AI-powered underwriting lays, and the agent behind AI MIMI power. AI MIMI service you inside. Break down deals in seconds, matching capital instantly, and routing opportunities directly into your lane. You are ready to step into the revolution. Your entire is simple. 997 30-day entire ecosystem. Your lane opens, your deal flow begins, your acceleration starts. Your passport is waiting for you to activate. Don't miss your market activation window. Monday, Texas. Tuesday, California. Wednesday, Massachusetts. Thursday, Arizona. Friday, Florida. Saturday, top 10 institutional market. Sunday, Florida market. Don't miss your market activation window. Rain or sunshine, storm or delay, the ecosystem keeps moving. And today, you can move with it. Step in, lead your life.